What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Back at it again. I got a few items that came in the mail this week. That's definitely that I've been waiting for. As you can see, so I got my fuel system harness, as well as the sending unit and the selector valve. So I am running. My goal is to run both of the tanks. I have a driver and a passenger side tank, and I'm going to run both. So that's why I have the 87 tanks with the baffle in them, and now I have the 87 sending units left and right side, and as well as the harness. There's a guy, I'll put his information below, that makes the harnesses for him, and here's the valve that is needed, so it can be able to switch from tank to tank. And then there's a switch inside the vehicle that you'll be able to switch which side you want. So the way he sells his kit, everything comes in the kit that you need. So he is the same guy that's doing my engine harness, which I am still waiting on. He's back order on a few parts. So as soon as he finished those parts, then he'll be able to go ahead and get it complete. So hopefully he'll have that done in like another week or two. And then I finally got my Dakota Digital in. I got my Dakota Digital Gauges. The set that I went with is the RTX. Let's see if I can get that's the part number. So I went with the RTX. The reason I went with it is because I like the orange needles. The way that my truck already is now, it has the orange needles, and I really like it. So I wanted to stick with that. So I know they have different ones. I was also looking at the HDX, but I wanted to stick to something that looked more factory as well. So yeah, and it did come with all the necessary wiring and stuff that you'll need. So I'll get that all wired up once I get my harness in, get the engine in, get that squared away. So, but yeah, I'm really excited about this. I've been waiting for a while to actually purchase one. As you know, they're pretty expensive. So I finally was able to find the one that I wanted and able to order it. So in a minute, I'm about to go back outside, and we're going to take off the harmonic balancer, and as well as I'm going to start trying to clean up this motor a little bit more. All right. So we're back. I'm going to go ahead and take off the harmonic balancer. I did order the harmonic balancer. I ordered the harmonic balancer pulley kit. I think I got it from Amazon. This is the one I ordered. I know you can just go to any auto parts store and just rent one, but I want to have one on hand. I plan on doing a lot of work to the other vehicles as well. So I really want everything out here LS except for my Grand National. So yeah, I just decided to go ahead and buy it. So what I'm gonna do is I already put it on. As you can see, there's notches back there that you put the puller on. So you put the puller on, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten this, and as I tighten this, it's gonna pull this off. There's a rod that's sticking in, and as I tighten it, it's just gonna allow me to push this right off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this pulled off, and I'll show you the notches in the back. So I'm gonna use my impact, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. So what I realized is I didn't grab the longest one. So I'm gonna grab the longest one because it doesn't have enough. It is pulling it off, but it needs a little bit more. So as you can see in this kit, It come with different sizes. So I'm gonna grab the longest one, stick that one in so it can come on off. Like I said before, this rod just goes in here like that. And stick this in. So what I'm doing is I just hand tighten it, and then I'm gonna get my and boom, came right off. So as I said before, these are the notches that's behind it that just is gripping onto. And all it's doing is tighten it, and it pulls it right off. And now I can get to my timing cover, and as well as the cam that's in there. So one thing I did forget, I had to order a few things this week. I had forgot this seal that goes right here. So I had forgot that seal, so I ordered the seal, as well as I forgot the valley cover gasket, so I can change that because there is water in here. So I ordered new knock sensors as well to go ahead and change those. And then I ordered the camshaft sensor and the crankshaft sensor. I did order those new, so all that stuff I ordered from Rock Auto should be coming in a few days. So now I'm going to try to clean this motor up a little bit. I'm gonna spray some degreaser on it, and then I'm gonna try to scrub it off. I also have a steamer. So since I don't have a pressure washer, I'm gonna degrease it, and then I'm gonna hit it with the steamer, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully that'll knock some of this grime off a little bit easier. So we'll see. So I end up pulling my steamer out. As you can see, look at this side. I try to clean this one up, but as I can see, I'm gonna pull them off and let this stuff soak, and I'm gonna scrub it with a brush. The steamer's not gonna get it. It is good for getting spots like down here in these crevices, blowing this stuff out. So it is stuff good for like items like this, because this is not coming off. Right. You can get all the stuff from back there behind me. So it is good for this. But as far as actually cleaning anything, I still gotta scrub it. So I'll be hitting everything with some degreaser and a scrubber. So I'm gonna pull off this cover, the oil pan, the valve covers, and as well as the valley cover. So I'm gonna pull off all this stuff, and I'm gonna put it in a little bucket thing and let it soak. And I'm gonna scrub and clean everything, and then I'll probably paint it. Yeah, I doubt if I do that today. I at least what I do want to do is try to clean up some of these areas, so that when I take the valve cover off, I don't have to worry about any grime and dirt. And when I take the valley cover off, I don't have to worry about the dirt from this falling inside the motor. So I'm gonna just clean it up, and then there's actually still some oil in it. So I'm gonna let the oil out. So I'm gonna let that drain tonight, and then probably tomorrow I'm gonna come back and hit it some more. Yeah, this thing is hot. So after you hit it, you can go through and wipe it, and it will come right off. But it's gonna be easier to do it the old school way with a brush. So I'll get the brush out, and I'll get the scrub and everything. I still need to get these two. This one that's flush, the header bolt that's flush, and this one over here is sticking out. This one right here sticking out. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get that one out, And I'll probably get my neighbor to bring over his welder so we can try to weld a washer, and then weld a nut onto it so I can get that out. This one over here, I'm gonna try to get this one out. We'll see what happens. But for now, I'm just gonna clean it up just a little bit, just knock off some of these debris and stuff. And then, like I said, tomorrow I'll jump back on it. So this is probably gonna be it for this video. I know it's a quick video, but more is to come. All right, if this is your first time watching my video, please like, comment, and subscribe as well. I notice a lot of my people that watch my videos are not subscribers, so if you would, please hit the subscribe button so you can see what else I got coming up with my builds. So far, I'm at 900 subscribers. Can't even believe it. I was surprised myself that I had so many. So I'm trying to get to 1,000. Hopefully, I can get to 1,000 by the end of this month, which is my goal. So we'll see what happens. So hit the subscribe button. All right.